So, nag-decide akong gawin yung video na to is hindi para mag-judge. This part is parang hindi siya advisable for below 18 years old since this is very sensitive. Bakit ko ba ginawa yung video na to? Hi mga ma'am! Welcome back to my channel! Sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe, please subscribe now. Click the subscribe button below and i-click nyo na rin yung notification bell para pag nag-upload ako agad yung makita o agad yung mapanood para dagdag views na rin. Okay, thank you. And actually, this part is parang hindi siya advisable for below 18 years old since this is very sensitive. Bakit ko ba ginawa yung video na to? So, nag-decide akong gawin yung video na to is hindi para mag-judge, hindi para magmagaling, hindi para magpapansin, at hindi para feeling entitled or maging entitled. So, ginawa ko yung video na to is para sa akin kasi alam ko na makakatulong din ako in a way na tutulungan ko kayong magkaroon ng lakas ng loob para harapin yung bagay na yon. And also, I have been doing this since 2013 or 14, 2014. Parang relevant naman siya sa nangyayari ngayon. Ginawa ko yung video, i-upload ko yung video na to kasi gusto kong tumulong. Gusto ko lang talagang tumulong. So, if you need help and if you need help, advice, or anything na makakasagot ng mga questions nyo, yung mga duda nyo, you can always, message me or comment down below. My Facebook, ilagay ko yung link below, and my Instagram as well. So you can send me a private message para I can reply to your questions. So, yun nga. Especially sa mga taong katulad ko or yung mga ibang kapart ng LGBTQ community. Kaya ako ginawa yung video na to is to spread awareness and para iparating na hindi nakakatakot, and para iparating din na mas maganda yung ganito na malaman mo yung status mo kasi hindi pa siya katapusan parang hindi siya yung magiging end ng life mo. And ginawa ko yung video na to para magkaroon ng knowledge or kaalaman yung karamihan. Maski ako nung first ko na mag-test or magpa-test with my ex-partner, same din yung mga ibang tao or yung katulad ko dyan na gustong malaman yung status nila pero sobrang natatakot sila. And ako parang nilabanan ko lang talaga yung takot ko. Yung advice or yung dapat is 3 months after nung thing na yon or yung bagay na yon para makakuha ka ng accurate result from the test kit or from the lab test mo. Yun talaga yung advisable. And yun. So sa video ko is I used the home test kit. I am always doing that since last year, though I have been testing myself since 2014. Bakit yung home test kit ba? So, same lang din yung reason ko sa reasons nyo na nahiya kayo na pumunta sa public hospitals. But still, you wanna know the status or your status or the result as well. And it's just that kahit na may home test kit, takot pa rin most of us na mag-test because we are afraid to get yung nakakatakot na result. So I'm sorry, I am trying to use words na hindi masyadong offensive as much as possible. Gusto ko yung words na ginagamit ko still na naiintindihan siya at hindi siya offensive sa mga taong manonood or nanonood ng video na to. Mas maganda talaga na malaman yung status. May mga options pa para to prolong life. Okay? So, sa video na to, my status or my HIV test result is negative. And of course, I am thankful because I am negative. But that doesn't mean na I have, parang I have the reason na to judge or mag-ano ng tao. No, not that. Gusto ko lang talagang magbigay ng idea or ng knowledge to all the people na tingin ko ay nararamdaman din yung nararamdaman ko before, na takot at hiya. Ayun, simplest way, just have a simple check. I am negative. So my HIV test result is negative and I have uploaded everything sa video na to. And like kahit negative tayo, we always do the safest way. Thinking kasi tayo na bahala na, always do that thing with protection. So, ito yung mismong laman ng kit. And ito yung ito actually yung kit eh. Then ito yung instructions na kailangan yung basahin. And it is important kasi para alam nyo kung paano identify yung result ng test, no? And ito yung ginagamit para mag-prick, kasi kailangan mo mag-extract ng dugo. And this is the alcohol pad. Kung walang available na alcohol sa inyo, you can also use this. But I am not actually using this since may alcohol naman ako sa bahay. So, and I don't also use this, itong pag-prick, since meron akong ginagamit dito. It's the AccuCheck. Ito siya, yung pang-prick din. Then bali ang gagamitin ko lang dito is the solution, then yung mismong test kit. Okay, then bubuksan natin yung test kit. Pasensya na guys kasi phone lang yung gamit ko pang record and mag-isa lang ako sa room. Tapos eto yung ginagamit na parang dropper or what, para since ipiprick mo yung finger mo, your tip of your finger, para makuha yung dugo. Ito yung mag-a-absorb, para siya yung hihigop ng dugo mo. And ito yung gagamitin mo para ipatak dito yung dugo. So, ilalagay mo is at least 2 drops or 3 drops ng, alam ko kasi is 2 drops of blood or ng dugo mo, dalawang patak ng dugo mo dito mismo. And tapos tatlong patak ng solution din. Then according to this, 15 minutes yung iintayin mo para makita mo yung result. So if it's one line, if it's the line is nasa C line, it means it's negative. And if it's yung C at saka T ay parehong may guhit, means it's positive. And for invalid, walang kahit anumang line or yung line is nasa letter T. And once again, ang nakalagay dito is a negative result with this test does not mean that you are definitely not infected with HIV, particularly when exposure may have been within the previous 3 months. Meaning to say, mas accurate yung magiging result ng negative ka from HIV or yung negative result mo ng HIV test mo from this kit is negative. Magiging accurate lang yon once after 3 months na yung nakalipas after nung unsafe sex mo. Okay, meaning to say wala kang any interactions or anything na ginawa within 3 months bago ka mag-test to get the accurate result. So, start ko nang i-prick yung tip ng finger ko. So, mag-alcohol muna ako. So, i-drop, cut me process. So, i-drop natin yung at least 3, 2 to 3. So, 1, 2, 3. And then, saka natin gamitin yung solution. So, nalagyan ko na siya ng solution. Then, kailangan natin mag-wait ng 15 minutes. So, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Wala pa siyang 15 minutes. Pero ako, I usually wait up until siguro mga 20 minutes. Mas gusto ko yun just to get the accurate answer. And sorry guys, kasi kanina abang nag-drop ako ng solutions, which is this, hindi ko nasama, hindi ko na-record kasi naglobat yung phone ko. And I apologize. Bale, anyway, ito naman is 3 drops lang naman ng solution. So 3 drops ng blood, then 3 drops dito. And from then, wait lang kayo ng 50. So, it's already 7:06. So, 7:26, babalikan ko yung result niya. Okay po. So, after 20 minutes, so, eto na po yung kit. So, compare po natin yung result. So, sabi dito, kapag letter C, ayan, kapag yung line nasa letter C, it's negative. Tingnan natin kung saan yung letter. Ayan, nasa letter C. So, this moment, ang result is negative. Okay. Ayan po yung result. So, nasa letter C po ang guhit. So, negative po ako.